Hello and welcome to another video of Quick How-Tos with Dr. S. Today we're going to look into a tool, a backchannel tool. Backchannel tools are very, very helpful because they give us instructors an insight into what students are thinking while we're teaching. That can be a very, very rudimentary thing like, oh, I'm getting it, or man, I'm confused, professor, what can I do? But without raising their hand, without saying something into the classroom, just with a back channel tool. We can also poll our students, we can ask questions, have quizzes, or just have a little discussion in the background. And the back channel tools differ a little bit, but the one that I've been working with is Go Soapbox, gosoapbox.com. And I'm just going to go through the sign up process here so we can look through this together. Go Soapbox looks like this. I'm going to sign up here and teachers sign up for Go Soapbox. I hope this works. Let's see. My email address is drsamrage@gmail.com. And I'm going to choose the suggested password. There we go. I am not a robot. And I'm going to sign up. Wonderful. Password is saved. I got an email. So I'm going to look into my mailbox. Go Soapbox. Hello, you've just signed up with your email. Sign in if you have any questions. Wonderful. So, nah, I don't want emails. Thank you. All right. There is a nice little introduction here. Learn the basics in 1 minute. This is just a very brief thing, but I think we proceed straight to our account and actually get started here. So we would like to create a new event in Go Soapbox. And we call this event PSU year 5. I know, that's a little lame. General biology. There we go. Maybe with the year information, we are in the first semester, term C. That will do. Okay. Create. And this is how the students now can access my course. I'm going to do that on the back end with my phone. Here we go. I'm just going to type in app.gosoapbox.com. And then I have to type in the information once it loads. The access code. I'm going to type in 120356789. All right. And then I say join now. Proceed to our event. It's loading. Oh, you see that one student is online. That is me, obviously. And if I click on I am confused, you also see that the confused number goes up there. And if I say I'm getting it, the confused number goes down. Very nice to see. Let's create a very, very quick quiz. Name of the quiz is, we call it a test. We create it. Oh, come on. And we're going to add a question down here. State your idea. You could have a more detailed text. I'm not going to do that right now. You can include images if you have the URL, so an image that is somewhere in the web. And I'm going to make that a short answer. That makes it easier so I don't have to predefine anything. You can also say what the students will see afterwards. I'm just going to write great. And then I create this little test. So there we go. Go back to the event up here. And now the test is here. It's locked. The students can't see it, and you see that in the screen recording too. But I can unlock it. And there it is. Now the students can see it. I can click on it as a student. And here is my quiz. I want to start. State your idea. None. I don't have any ideas. I submit my answer, and I'm done. Submit my answers. It says great for this one. Okay, thanks. And how do I get to this data now? I have to click on, well, let's just lock this again so nobody else, it disappears from my phone. I click here on test and I can download the results in Excel. I can change some details, but overall, this is what it looks like. All right, back to the event. Let's try something different. Let's have a quick poll. We are asking for, how are you? Obviously, that's nothing that you would ask in your class. Well, of course, you would ask it, but not for a poll like this. Choice 1, good and bad. All right. Then we create this poll. And now we have our poll here. So I can unlock it. I can see it on my phone. How are you? Yeah, I click on it. And I'm feeling good. Submit my vote. And here we go. All right. The discussion board is similar, where people can just discuss on the site. I'm not going to go into that right now. But this would be the quick intro into how using Go Soapbox can enhance your classes. All right. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment below. If you have ideas for future videos, please comment below as well. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells